Hey, hope you're doing great. Imagine if you are sick. Maybe a headache, stomachache, or something else. You get a pill either from your doctor or a pharmacy. Now what? You just take it? Or are there things to keep in mind before you take that medicine? The answer is yes. There are simple yet significant factors everyone needs to be aware of when taking a drug. Let's have an insight on impulse and insight. Be sure to subscribe and watch till the very end. Number 1. Expiry date. Before taking a pill, always check the expiry date of the medication. Expired drugs are ineffective and harmful. Number 2. Time. Timing the intake of drug is crucial. Time does matter. Drugs may work better depending on the time it is taken. Some drugs are best taken in the morning, like steroids, thyroid medication, medication for gastritis and osteoporosis. While some work best at night, like antihistamines, anxiety medications and sleeping pills. Consult your doctor or pharmacist for the perfect time to take that drug and do follow it. Number 3. Food. Food can alter the effect of drugs. Some drugs are to be taken on empty stomach to show maximum effect, which includes medication for gastritis like pantoprazole, omeprazole, ranitidine, medication for thyroid like levothyroxine, antibiotics like ampicillin and tetracycline. Drugs like iron supplements, BP medication like propranolol, aspirin, painkillers like diclofenac, ibuprofen, and steroids like prednisolone and dexamethasone are to be taken with food to reduce their side effect and improve efficacy. Number 4. Duration. How long to take a particular medicine is crucial for managing a particular symptom or disease. Drugs like paracetamol or painkillers are to be taken only when you experience pain or fever and not on a daily basis, as it can affect your vital organs, primarily liver and kidneys, and may lead to a total organ failure in course of time. Whereas some drugs like antibiotics are to be taken for a particular course of 3, 5 or 7 days to prevent an infection from reoccurring. And then there are drugs to be taken forever, the lifelong drugs. Anti-diabetic drugs, BP medication, thyroid drugs belong to this category. Number 5. Intake. A medicine comes in different forms for specific reason. Always check and follow the directions of use before taking a drug. Normally, tablets are swallowed with a glass of water. However, effervescent tablets are consumed by dissolving it in water or juice. Sublingual tablets are intended to be kept under the tongue and not swallowed. And then there are chewable tablets, which are to be chewed on like a chewing gum. Number 6. Frequency. How often to take a drug is important. Frequency of a medication may be once a day, twice, thrice, or 4 times a day and may go up according to the diagnosis of the doctor. Always check the prescription and take doctor's advice if needed. Number 7. Multi-drugs. Taking 2 or more medication at the same time can sometimes be dangerous, as these interact with each other, making them ineffective or increasing the risk of adverse effects. Always inform your doctor your medication history and your current drug regimen, or maintain a space of at least 1 hour between each drug. Number 8. Storage. Drugs are to be stored properly to ensure they work as they should. Majority of pills are stored at room temperature in a cool, dry place, while some drugs like insulin, eye drops, reconstituted antibiotics are to be stored in a refrigerator. Number 9. possible side effects. Always remember, no drug is without side effects, but it doesn't necessarily mean you will always have one. But you need to be aware of common side effects reported by a particular medicine. Ask your doctor or pharmacist the adverse effects you need to be wary of. Number 10. Dose. God made everyone unique, hence dose varies from person to person, depending on age, gender and other health conditions. The dose you require may not be the same needed for your parents or your kids. So before taking a pill or giving it to someone, remember to check the dose twice. In short, these simple yet significant tips can harness the finest outcome from your medication, thus promoting a faster and full recovery. Stay healthy.